Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be cooking jollof spaghetti from scratch. We are going to be starting by cutting our veggies. I'm using carrots, green pepper and yellow pepper for this. You can use any veggies of your choice. I started by scraping and cleaning my carrot and I sliced that into smaller pieces. I'm also going to be cleaning and removing the seeds in my green pepper, and then I'm going to be slicing and cutting that into smaller pieces as well. If you are just joining my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you. I'm also going to be doing the same with my yellow pepper as well. I'm going to be cleaning and slicing that and cut that into smaller pieces as well. You can also use red bell pepper if you have that at home, but I do not have that at home, so I'm going to be sticking with these 3 veggies for this video. I'm also going to be slicing my onion into smaller pieces. Then it's time for us to parboil our spaghetti. I threw the spaghetti into the already boiled water. You can break your spaghetti if you like, but I do not like to break my spaghetti. So I'm going to allow that to cook for some minutes, then save it out. Yeah, it's time to sieve my spaghetti out. I'm going to be using my sieve to sieve that out. Yeah, these are my ingredients. I'm going to be using my cooked gizzard. You can use any protein of your choice, but it's only gizzard I have at home and I'm going to be using that. I started by frying my gizzard. Then we're going to pour our onions. Then I'm going to be adding my blended pepper and allow that to cook for some minutes. Going to be adding my veggies. My pepper is already cooked, so I'm going to be adding my veggies, my carrots, gizzard, green pepper, yellow pepper. Then I'm going to be adding seasoning, Maggi, salt, curry and thyme. You can add any seasoning of your choice just to enhance the taste and the aroma. And then it's time to add the star dish, the star of the dish, which is our spaghetti. And then I'm going to give that a good stir. Yeah, I added a little bit water for that to cook before serving it. So Thank you so much for joining me on this. I'll see you in my next one. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.